Hi, my name's John Johnson. I've been seeing Dr. Jin Yun for over a year now. He's made such a huge difference in my life. It's incredible. You know, I was a surgical rep for 7 years and I worked with a lot of orthopedic surgeons. Orthopedic surgeons send their patients to Dr. Yun so that they don't have to have surgery. When I was working on my black belt in karate, I fried my wrist because we do a lot of push-ups on our knuckles and everything. And I got where I couldn't even close my hand to turn my car on. A couple of weeks later, he worked on my wrists. Now they're great. My shoulder was in this pool during speed work. My shoulder just kept hurting and hurting. And I was talking to a friend of mine who was having surgery on his shoulder. And I was like, man, you know, I'm almost 60 years old. I guess I'll be having shoulder surgery. Saw Dr. Yun and he's like, two sessions later, I'm able to hit the pool, do speed work, no more pain. Biking. I did a lot of long distance on my bike. My right knee started hurting. Actually, both knees were killing me. He worked on my knees for about 3 or 4 months, and I'm able to bike again. I'm up to 14 miles last week. So my point is, you can go see an orthopedic surgeon, where your first appointment is your pre-op appointment. Because if you're a surgeon, what do? You cut. And you know what? As a former surgical rep, 60% of the time the patients were no better off, or actually sometimes worse off after their surgery. What do they say? An ounce of preventative medicine is worth a pound of cure. That's the thing with chiropractic, especially Dr. Yun. You go see him before things get bad, you're gonna get better. And let me tell you, you're not gonna spend $500 on an appointment. You don't have to go in for all this work, all these x-rays and everything else. Go in there, they check you out for less than $150. And for less than $100 a visit, you're able to get back to normal very quickly. You know, I tell all my friends here, when they're having problems, go see Dr. Yun, because it really, I mean, I don't wanna be, a little over the top, but he really is magic. Go in there, you got a pain, he works it out. Sometimes it's painful when he's working on you, but a few days later, no more pain. Or maybe a few appointments later, you're totally cured. You know, you've got to have somebody on your team if you're going to be getting in shape. And as we get older, we need somebody to check on us regularly. Orthopedics, they'll give you a shot. They're kicking the can down the road because shots wear off, things are not healed. It's just not going to work. Surgery doesn't work. What's best is preventative medicine, and that's why you need to go see Dr. Yun.